Let's Green, Digital and Animate Rural Inclusive Territories. Funded by the European Union. Views and opinions expressed are, however, those of the authors only and do not necessarily reflect those of the European Union or the ANPCDEFP. Neither the European Union nor the ANPCDEFP can be held responsible for them. Module 1. The new Green European Context linked with CLLD LEADER framework. Story. Dimitris trains on European funds for rural agriculture and innovation.
The training beginning for Dimitris.
Hi Dimitris, I am Rosa, the Community Development Officer in your area. Do you remember me?
Hi Rosa, yes of course. I'm very happy to meet you again. I hope you can help us in the goal we have, to innovate our business by taking a sustainable approach.
Of course, I can help you. I am sure that this short and focused training we will do on EU programs on research and innovation for rural areas in agriculture will bring you many benefits.
Great, so let's get going. I'm very excited to get started.
Let's get started. Let me ask you a doom question. As a member of the local community, have you ever had a chance to understand how to manage European funds?
I have to tell you the truth. No, I have never done that, and I would not know how to approach these aspects. It's often difficult if you don't have the right skills.
Don't worry, I am aware of that. But we are just here to learn something new. Let's start with an introduction to the basic types of funds. There is direct funding and indirect funding.
I make notes to remember everything.
Direct funding allocation is managed by European institutions, while indirect funding is managed by national and regional authorities.
As a member of a local rural community, which funds should I refer to most?
Let's explore them now. The main fund to refer to is the EAFRD. The EU's rural development policy helps the rural areas of the EU to meet the wide range of challenges and opportunities that face them in terms of economic, environmental, and social development.
Are there any others?
Yes, I list them for you, then you can elaborate on them at this link. https://cohesion-data.ec.europa.eu/funds/21-27. There are European Social Fund Plus, Cohesion Fund, Just Transition Fund, Interreg, European Regional Development Fund.
There are so many of them. I have to study them all carefully.
We have done enough for today. Better to stop here and continue tomorrow.
Thank you. I was able to understand many things. At home I will study all the material you provided.
Well, so there is no confusion. See you tomorrow to go into more detail. Bye.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Scenario realized by Exiolab. Technical design realized by Edu for